You've probably seen the Ford Maverick everywhere. It's affordable, it's practical, and dealerships are practically giving them away. But here's what they're not telling you. We just discovered 6 serious problems with this truck that could cost you thousands in unexpected expenses, and one of them affects your safety every single time you drive. Stay with us as we break down exactly why this perfect, affordable truck might be the worst truck decision you make this year. The interior reality. Sliding into the driver's seat of a base model XL trim immediately reveals the cost-cutting mentality Ford employed. The cabin doesn't feel premium. It feels utilitarian in a way that reminds drivers every single day that they chose the budget option. Door panels feature hard plastic exactly where your knees naturally rest during long commutes, transforming a 2-hour drive into an uncomfortable endurance test. The center console delivers functional storage with clever cubbies, but the materials sound hollow when accidentally tapped, creating an inexpensive acoustic environment that contrasts sharply with crossovers sharing the same platform. Moving to higher trims like XLT and Lariat does improve things with upgraded fabrics, but the fundamental framework still prioritizes cost over comfort. Ford made deliberate choices here, sacrificing tactile quality to maintain competitive pricing. Every time you reach for the door handle or rest your arm on the console, you're reminded this is the affordable option, not the premium choice. The materials themselves feel less durable than you'd expect, suggesting potential longevity concern as the truck ages. The ride quality issue. Expecting a smooth, refined ride from a vehicle sharing its platform with comfortable crossovers creates immediate disappointment. The Maverick's suspension tuning reveals its truck DNA through an unexpectedly firm ride that transmits every road imperfection directly into the cabin. Broken pavement and expansion joints create a jarring sensation, particularly frustrating over the cracked roads common to most American highways. This firmer setup feels more agricultural than automotive, with the rear suspension maintaining loaded stability, but feeling harsh when empty. Your daily commute becomes stiffer and more uncomfortable than anticipated, and weekend drives reveal the suspension's truck-oriented personality at odds with the unibody platform's promise of crossover-like refinement. Early morning drives before coffee become endurance tests rather than peaceful moments, and longer trips reveal just how much road feel translates into occupant fatigue. Base model limitations. The promise of affordability vanishes quickly when you realize the base XL model comes without conveniences you didn't know you needed. Manual windows in 2025, steel wheels that look fleet-oriented rather than consumer-focused, and a basic audio system struggling to deliver clear output transform the attractive starting price of $26,295 into a misleading figure. Picture attempting a business call on the hands-free system while driving, only to struggle with adequate volume levels. The 13.2-inch touchscreen provides modern connectivity, but feels isolated within a stripped-down cabin, lacking standard amenities. Most buyers discover they need to jump to XLT trim to access features considered basic on competitors, pushing realistic pricing toward $28,795 before considering preferred packages. That aggressive base price becomes a marketing tactic rather than an accessible entry point, with realistic ownership beginning at higher trim levels where actual features exist. Quality control inconsistency. 10 recalls and customer satisfaction programs in 2 years represents an alarming pattern for a new vehicle. Motor Trend's long-term Maverick received multiple recall notices addressing engine fire risks on hybrid models, side curtain airbag deployment issues, and trailer brake controller malfunctions. While Ford's proactive approach addresses these concerns through software updates and hardware modifications, the frequency suggests launch challenges reflecting the pressures of producing high-volume, price-sensitive vehicles where manufacturing costs directly impact bottom-line pricing. Interior trim pieces develop rattles and squeaks after break-in periods, particularly around the center console and door panels. New recalls, including airbag indicator light visibility issues, demonstrate ongoing assembly line challenges even as production continues. This accumulation of quality concerns makes ownership feel like participating in an extended testing program rather than driving a finished product, raising questions about long-term reliability and eventual resale value. Ergonomic adjustability constraints. The Maverick's seat adjustability reflects cost-saving decisions that impact long-distance comfort for many body types. Base models provide manual height adjustment for drivers, but lack comprehensive lumbar support or extensive positioning options that would accommodate varied body types. Power seats remain exclusive to higher trim levels, limiting the ability to find optimal positions without significant price increase. The steering column offers tilt and telescoping, but feels constrained compared to larger Ford vehicles, creating challenges for drivers exceeding or falling short of average dimensions. Short drivers struggle with visibility, tall drivers compromise legroom, and most people discover their body doesn't match Ford's assumptions about average driver dimensions. The rear bench prioritizes utility over comfort with flip-up seat bottoms for storage, but minimal support during extended travel. Buyers planning significant time behind the wheel should thoroughly evaluate the ergonomic setup during test drives to ensure their body type aligns with the truck's limited accommodation range. Pricing that disappoints. The Maverick's pricing trajectory tells a concerning story about the changing definition of affordable. Initial promotions suggested sub-$20,000 access to truck ownership, but 2025 pricing reality presents a different picture. The base XL pricing starts at $26,295, a significant increase from early projections, yet this remains the bare-bones option. Adding all-wheel drive, a necessity for many climates, and essential convenience feature pushes prices toward $35,000 before considering popular option packages or dealer adjustments. Building your ideal Maverick configuration online reveals how quickly the price climbs with each necessary addition. Many buyers discover their final transaction prices exceed $40,000 for higher trims and option packages, with dealer markups and strong demand eliminating negotiating leverage. Market conditions compound these pricing pressures, making the original promise of accessible pickup ownership feel increasingly like outdated marketing language rather than current market reality. Moving forward with realistic expectations, the Ford Maverick remains a capable and innovative entry in the compact pickup segment, delivering genuine utility and impressive fuel economy that achieves up to 42 miles per gallon city and 35 miles per gallon highway in hybrid front-wheel drive configuration. However, understanding these 7 legitimate challenges helps set realistic ownership expectations. The truck delivers on its core promise of affordable utility, but the compromises become apparent in daily driving. The hybrid battery carries 8 years or 100,000 miles of coverage through Ford's factory warranty, with the option to extend protection up to 10 years or 175,000 miles through extended service plans. Before deciding, carefully evaluate your specific needs against these known limitations. Test drive multiple examples to assess build quality consistency and personal comfort fit. Budget realistically for the trim level that includes features you'll actually use rather than being drawn in by that attractive base price. And consider whether the Maverick's limitations align with your intended use. Subscribe to stay updated as new competitors enter the compact pickup market. See you next video.